Assalamu alaikum. My HP laptop was working fine until yesterday. It was in sleep mode. After this, it doesn't turn on again. I have to check the adapter first. As you can see, it is 20 volt. If I plug the adapter, nothing is happening. If I measure it again, it is still 20 volt. This LED should be white, but it doesn't turn on at all. I will have to disassemble the laptop and take the motherboard out to see if I can fix it or not. Here is the motherboard. I will use my power supply instead of the adapter to see everything happen. Bismillah. It takes 170 milliamp. I think something is overheating here. I don't have a thermal clamp, so I will use my fingers. Yes, here. The heat is came from this area. I think it is the buck converter for 5 and 3.3 volt. I will look for a schematic, and if I don't find it, I will look for a datasheet for this IC. I successfully found a schematic for my laptop. This is the motherboard number, and this IC is U6100. It is this one, and here is the datasheet for the IC. It is 5 volt and 3.3 volt power rail buck converter. I still don't know if the IC itself is damaged or there is something else wrong on the motherboard, so I have to check all these pins with the ground. I checked every pin on the IC and there is no short with ground. I think I have to replace this IC. Let me show you why I am thinking the issue is here, not in any other component around it. See how the liquid will evaporate from the chip when I connect the adapter. You can see. Let's do it again. See? I have to replace the chip, but I don't have it, so I will ask a friend of mine who has more knowledge in motherboard repair. Here I am back again, and I have bad news for me. My friend is an expert in motherboard repair. You can check his YouTube channel. He has a lot of useful videos. All of them are in Arabic for sure. He told me to check 3.3 volt LDO power rail. This one here on this pad. After injecting 3 volts there, the motherboard takes like 1 amp and the BCH is getting warm. This is bad. So I have to replace the CPU with the BCH also. I don't think this is a good idea. I can leave the laptop without fix. I have another one to use. I hope you learned something good this video. We'll see you soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.